Hi, this is Jana, and welcome to my kitchen. If I don't sound quite the same, I'm battling off some fall allergy or something. But I've got a pan heated up with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it, but you can use butter. And I've got a 1/4 cup of finely diced onion. You can leave this out if you want to. We are making a homemade queso sauce. This is so easy, just like you would get in the Mexican restaurants or similar. Our family is we always order a bowl of queso when we go eat chips and salsa. Gotta have that. And this is super easy, great for game day, any day, birthday, Saturday, Thursday, Monday, all the football days, after school snack. And make sure you check out my homemade flour tortilla chips. My kids grew up eating those with for after school snacks with cheese and queso or your favorite.
We called them crack chips growing up.
Yeah, we called them crack chips. That's because you couldn't stop eating them. They're so delicious. And so this is almost starting to get soft. I do want it to get soft, but while it's getting soft, I've got 2 jalapenos, and I did seed them, and I did take out the vein. And so I always say you can always add more, but you can't take it out. So I'm going to add most of that. I can always add more of the jalapeno. You can use serrano if that's what you have. So I'm going to soften this and we'll be right back. All right, we are back, and you can see we've got that softened up. And I've got 1 cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to add most of it, but not all of it. And get that heated up. And then over here I've got 3/4 of a pound of white American cheese sliced. Aaron went and picked it up at the deli. This happens to be Boar's Head, but you can get whatever brand you can. It's not like Velveeta. It's just white. It just doesn't have the coloring in it. It's a white American cheese. You can get it at your deli. And we're going to add this slowly. And that way we can add more cream as we need to. This is a really good melting cheese. And we're going to serve it with our chips and salsa. So delicious. And so I'm just going to add this slowly. Oopie daisy. That's what I always tell my granddaughters. Oopie daisy. And I've got, you'll have to check out my chili rellenos. They're gluten-free. I use poblano chilies and fill them with stuff if you have leftover pulled pork. It's really good. Leftover brisket.
Chicken?
We did leftover rotisserie chicken, grilled chicken. See, you can see this is just about the right consistency, so I'm going to probably have to add some more heavy whipping cream to get the amount that I want. And we want to turn our fire down low. We don't want to boil this. Do not boil cheese.
It will burn on the bottom.
Yeah, it'll burn it, scorch it. That'd be a shame.
That wouldn't taste good.
What?
It wouldn't taste good.
Oh no, we don't want to scorch cheese. Look at that. That is just about the same consistency. And I know some Mexican restaurants, they use oil and flour as a base. And so it's not gluten-free, just FYI, in case you didn't know that. And they use Chihuahua cheese.
So good.
And sometimes you could try using the Monterey Jack too if you can't find the white American cheese, but most every deli has white American cheese. Look at this. And then I've got my tortilla chips. My husband's in the other room watching football. NFL today. I'm more of an NCAA football fan. Erin, of course, is a everything fan. She likes racing. She likes baseball.
Yes.
Quite the savant with all of the details.
I've gotten better over the years.
What did you say?
I've said I've gotten better over the years.
And I'm going to add just a little bit more of my heavy whipping cream. I don't have any more cheese, so I can't add too much heavy whipping cream here until it's the right consistency. And you can add diced tomatoes or a few tablespoons of Rotel if you want a little more color in your queso cheese. You can add in chorizo, cook some chorizo sausage and add that in. Whatever your family likes. Bacon. Make it the way you like it. This is just an idea. That's what cooking is make your family's food the way they like it.
And you can also put in some of the diced, like pickled jalapenos in there too.
Oh, absolutely. If you don't have fresh, you can use the jarred pickled. So there we go. That is as easy as it is to make queso. Just like that. Perfect every time. And of course, we'll have Aaron taste it and we will adjust the jalapenos to our family's liking. Thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen.